First and foremost, do not be intimidated. I promise it is goof-proof. You cannot mess it up. I kind of visually divide my face into 4 quadrants. So after I've washed my face, I swipe my skin with a prep pad to really get all the gunk off. Then I take my GloPro and I start rolling over the skin in vertical, diagonal, horizontal directions, and I'll make my way all the way around my face, under the jawline, onto the neck, décolleté, especially if you're a side sleeper and you have those vertical lines happening. Don't forget with your GloPro to take it on the brow bone. Literally take it onto the eyebrow. And what that does is it kind of corsets together, so it actually helps to lift the lid. Can you take it right underneath the eye? Absolutely, yes. Take it right into the ocular bone, no problem at all. In fact, I want you to spend a few extra seconds on the areas that really bother you the most. So one other question that I get asked frequently is how often should I change my GloPro head? I want you to think about your razor at home or your toothbrush. It is very personal, but you know when you finally swap it out how much better things work. I recommend swapping out your GloPro attachment head every 3 to 4 months, like a razor or a toothbrush. There's a little white attachment head button on the back. You'll simply press that, pop your head out, and then you'll put your new head right back in. You'll hear it click, and then you're ready to glow. Easy breezy.